Impact of GDPR on individuals and businesses. Impact of GDPR on businesses. Operational overhauls. GDPR has focused businesses to rethink how they handle data. They have had to update privacy policies, implement strict security measures, conduct regular data audit to ensure compliance. Cost of compliance. For some businesses, especially smaller ones, compliance has not been cheap. Hiring data protection officer, updating system, and conducting staff training requires a significant investment. Global influence. Even companies outside the Europe must comply with GDPR if they handle European citizen data. This had made GDPR a global benchmark, inspiring similar laws in countries like Brazil and India. Operational changes. Businesses have had to make structural changes to become GDPR compliant. For example, data protection officers are now required for certain organizations, and privacy policies have been rewritten to be more user friendly. Cost of non compliance. Companies face serious penalties for non compliance, with fine up to 4% of their global turnover or 20 million euros, whichever is higher. This has led businesses worldwide to take data privacy seriously. Tech giants like Facebook and Google have faced billion-dollar fines under GDPR. Impact on individuals. Greater control and transparency. For individuals, GDPR has granted more control over their personal data. People can request to see what data a company holds, correct inaccuracies, and even ask for data to be deleted. Awareness and consent. Now, whenever you see those cookies banners and detailed privacy notice, that's GDPR in action.